Bertha looking nice. Alright, y'all, so it is the next day, and I'm currently at the muffler shop. We're about to go ahead and get our wheels going from underneath the car. We are going to install down pipes. It's going to be custom. The cornerstones, they were just a little bit too long, so either I bought the wrong ones or they were actually made for shorties. They weren't a direct connection to when I dropped the cats. They weren't like a direct connection to the regular manifolds, so that's what makes me figure it must be for like shorty headers, because I think shorty headers are just a little bit longer. So this pretty much is what we're gonna have for the day, and I'm gonna get ready and show y'all the final product, man. Yeah, I love waking up in the morning. They over there putting in work right now. They said they had to bend a lot of the pipe. They had to change it around, so they pretty much gonna cut the mid pipes to try to keep the O2 sensor on there. And then I should be able to hook it up because I had an extension. So everything should work out. They're gonna make it look nice for me, man. For this job right here, they said 280. What y'all think? You think that's good enough? That's too much, too little? I think it's reasonable because they got to do a little bit of extra. But I did come with my own pipes, so let me know if I've been finessed, y'all. I don't think I have, but some people got their opinions. I'm about to get the first start, man. Oh yeah! Hell yeah! Hell! Oh, this is gonna be a street demon, man. Hey! Don't lie, man. This is the spot right here, man. This is definitely the spot. Mufflers out Rush, man. They got me right for it. They definitely got me right, man. Hey, you look happier than me, man.